Hi, friends! Welcome back to my room! And Merry Christmas! Today is a very special Christmas lesson. Today we're going to learn a Christmas song called Deck the Halls. Deck the halls means to decorate with happy things like music, joy, and love. Before we play, let's warm up our fingers. Tap your fingers with me. Tap, tap, tap. Now wiggle your fingers like snowflakes. Great job! Remember, piano maestros, we play using numbers. Do you remember where all of your numbers are? Great! Now let's play together. But first, do you see this castle? We are on a quest to play our song in a faraway land. On our way to a nice cozy room where we can play our song. 1, 2, ready, go!
Merry Christmas.
Wonderful! Nice job! You sound amazing! Christmas is a time for kindness, joy, and music. When we play music, we share happiness with others. You did an amazing job today, piano maestros! If you like this Christmas lesson, remember to practice this over and over again to get better. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time in Abby's piano room. Bye!